Hyundai comes with a lot of accessories. Today we're going over the cargo net and the cargo cover. So first, we already have the cargo cover and the cargo net set up. You do have a couple ways of setting up your cargo cover. You have two different settings. One a little bit further behind, one notch behind, and then another notch a little bit closer towards the driver's side. The reason you have these two notches is so the rear passengers can recline their seats back. You can also put the cargo cover away. I will show you how to do that under here. Next up, we do have the cargo net. The cargo net has three different prongs here. You have two different settings. The first setting is to keep boxes or items from rolling back towards the back of the door here. The next step, we'll go ahead and have it set up for you as well. Essentially, you're gonna go ahead and take off the clamps from the back here and just put them on the front bottom clamps here, left and right, on each side there. Next up, you do have two different zippers here. You have a zipper for here. You can put anything you don't want to be seen. The next up, you also have one up on top here. Okay, and you can put whatever you like. It'll just make sure it doesn't move as much as well. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comment below. Like, share, and comment and subscribe.